Hello and welcome. I'm going to be doing a colander pour for you today on a 12 by 12 canvas, and then I'm going to spin it afterwards. I am using all Artist Loft colors. I have deep magenta, turquoise, deep yellow, orange that I mixed in with some of the Flow acrylic white, and I'll be using also a little bit of the Flow acrylic black. The pouring medium is just Floetrol and water. I have taped my pins to my Lazy Susan, so hopefully it won't fly off when I go and spin it. I also have the colander sitting on top of one of these little red solo cups. We'll start with some white. And go in with some deep magenta. I'm going to go for the turquoise next. And the deep yellow. And the orange that I added the white into turned out to be like this light peachy orangey color. And then I'm just going to add just a little bit of black. I don't want too much. Let's see if I can get just a little bit in there. That's good enough. I think I'll start back with the magenta next. Then the turquoise. And lastly, I'll probably use up all this orange because I really like the color of it. And that should be plenty of paint. I'm going to pause you guys, let this continue dripping down, and then I'll be back and we'll spin. Before we spin, I figured I'd get you down for a close-up. I added some white around to help it flow. And as you can see, I've already removed the cup and colander. But yeah, I just figured give you a close-up before I give it a spin. So, I'll see you back in a minute. Alright, let's spin this thing and see what we get. Wow. Oh yeah, very cool. Let's see if I can get this off the tape. Let me kind of try to center it a little bit if I can. Alright. That looks pretty neat. I'm going to give it a quick torch and then cover my sides. And now I'm just going to cover up whatever didn't get covered when I spun it. Don't want to use that color. That still has some wet purple on it. to say I'm quite happy. This is the first colander pour I've actually liked after I've done it, so there's an improvement. Alright, I basically got all the sides covered. I'm going to wipe my hands, pause, and take you down for the close-up. Alright, and here we are for the close-up. Very neat. It's very beautiful. I love that orange in there. A few little air bubbles, but not too worried about that. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.